And why we look at time to attract, obviously, is because this is a much more nuanced KPI that we believe TA teams are well, it's supporting the case for talent acquisition in general, whereas time to hire, which we always also look at, is more affected by a hiring manager or someone taking a vacation or any different bit that obviously could affect. And time to hire is a fantastic business KPI, but for TA teams, we believe time to attract is fantastic. And I don't know if you want to give an explanation of what time to attract is, Carolina, or I can just give the general so people are following us.
Go ahead.
I go ahead. So time to attract is a KPI that measures how fast we get the candidate that we ended up hiring into the process. So we know that candidate X was hired, and then we can backtrack how fast we attracted that candidate into the process, which is an enormous KPIs when it comes to defining budgets and how you should spend your recruitment budget, or knowing what social media channels are attracting relevant hires. So it's a fantastic KPI, which I urge more TA teams to work with. IBM has worked a lot with it. It's growing in terms of relevance for TA. And I think in this case, you guys cut it down from 32 days to 12 days, meaning you attract the absolute right people way faster.
And we can also see that, I mean, if we don't look at the numbers here, but just going into the different recruitment processes in our ATS, we can see that we have candidates applying very soon after we have opened up the position. I mean, connecting that with the recruitment marketing strategy that we have, it says, okay, we have the recruitment marketing strategy that we have today is much, much better than the one that we had before. Going in the right direction.
As you said. Exactly. And this is an ongoing work, obviously. And it's definitely a KPI that you can control.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this is related to our job ads, everything that we do, all the communication that we do, the content that we have, the storytelling that we have.
And it justifies the EVP work. It justifies the employer branding. It justifies all the recruitment marketing, because obviously it has a huge impact on your entire chain. So this is a massive kudos to the team. I know you guys are working hard for this.